since the pandemic starts. No work, no place to go. So, we decided to travel where we live, Palawan. We don't wait for memories to come. We make them. Bought a camper van for my family. They're so happy when it arrives. Tsaka para makaiwas na din sa mga biglaang bagyo habang nagka-camping, kagaya nito.
Wasak na wasak!
Sinetap ko na din pati pick up ko. Put a rooftop tent and a track bed storage para lahat ng rigs ready to go. Madalas sa mga biyahe namin wala talaga kaming destinasyon. Pero sa amin kami mapadpad, isa lang ang mahalaga. Ligtas ang bawat isa at masaya. This is Doming, Mafe, Joshua, Jeyo, Jadon, Janice, at ako, Gio. We are Ong Fam. Be one of us.
Morning. Alas 7 na ng umaga at sobrang